On this campsite you can pay with PayPal. Thanks for all the people that sent me money via PayPal.
Always starts like a dream. Ciao! The only problem with a campsite like this is it's so beautiful, it's hard to leave. Okay. It is my birthday in a few days and I want to be home. I want to be spending it with Marie and my family. That's the plan. First day on the new street tires. And look at that, a gravel road. Let's do this, guys. Let's go home. Rattle is still there. Of course it is, we didn't really find the problem.
Follow me down the rabbit hole. Follow me down. Follow me down the rabbit hole.
I was holding up the fire truck. We also put in a new spoke. And I'm in Lithuania now.
I have to figure it out. Right now it comes and goes. Like it's gone now and you heard it before, it was a rattle. I will figure this out.
It's so hot. Magnesium. These tires, they feel so good on the street. So this lake here is basically a natural border to Kaliningrad, which is basically Russia. That's why I had to go through Lithuania. It's really nice here. Russia, Lithuania, me. I will save it for you. Oh, and that water? It looks a bit weird, but I asked at the campsite if that's drinking water. And they said yes, it's just has a lot of iron. Tastes a little bit different. Should be fine. Just tightening the exhaust bolts in case the noise comes from there. You can try. I want to make him too tight. I don't want to.
There's no cell service here. So obviously I can't stay. Nah. Still clicking. It's a beautiful way here. and sand. Can't believe it. My first day with new street tires. And I'm off the road. If you go through Lithuania, that's a cool spot. Now I'm going to Poland. Oi. Ooh, 30. You see now the sound is gone. Nothing. It's really mysterious. Back on a sand road. It's a cool road. Oh, I just have to focus. Oh. Yeah, you need a good suspension in Poland. That is for sure. Oy, oy, oy. My fourth gas stop.
It's been so much fun riding through Poland so far. Super cool road. It's getting late now and I'm super tired. Going to get some sleep and continue in the morning. I think we must have done like at least 600 kilometers. The old Honda just goes and goes and goes, no matter what. I love that bike. Oh, gotta go. I'm not in a hurry or anything, I just want to get home now. It's been 1.5 months.
Hey, 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 test, test, test. See, it doesn't really matter warm or cold. What is it? It's a yacht club. I don't have a yacht yet. Let's go, guys. Let's do it.
Rich from California sent me this. He is 63 years old and he just rented a motorcycle for the weekend because he's inspired by my videos. How cool is that? Drive safe. Some people tell me to stop moaning about my engine. It's called communicating. Have you ever had a girlfriend? And to all the companies that send me emails every week, I'm not going to make a promo video about your product. That's just not what I do. And if I want to talk about my motorcycle, I talk about my motorcycle.
So every day I'm inviting the whole world into my life, which is cool, but it also puts me in a very vulnerable position. It also starts to rain now. For whatever reason, you may think that you're in a position to criticize me or my life or whatever I'm doing. Just don't.
We're talking about unchecked aggression. I'm talking about drawing a line in the sand, dude. He peed on my rug.
He peed on the dude's rug.
Peed on my f***ing rug.
Just click away, go somewhere else, or at least be cool and be nice. You know, we're all friends here. 400 kilometers to go.
Thank you for all the lovely comments though. I really appreciate them. Very helpful. I'm thinking a lot about turning the comments off because they take up so much time and so much space in here. I don't know. And it only gets more and more, which is awesome, but I think I just can't do it. If one day they are gone, don't worry, there's always email.
Sounds fine now. What a mystery. It's something mechanical, so there will be a solution. And we will get to the bottom of this. So you guys better be subscribed, because I will update you here on the channel. Oh. Berlin, here I come. Can't wait. Deutschland! Back home in Germany. Back on the Autobahn.
So much Autobahn. She needs some oil now. Yeah, much better. The whole journey, she didn't really need much oil. Maybe a few 100 milliliters.
Hast du Pfanne?
Nee, bloß Oil nachgucken.
Feige hilft die Feige.
Ja, ich weiß. Das ist super.
Let's go home.
Guys, once again, the old Honda brought me home safe and sound. Almost 10,000 kilometers on this adventure. Amazing. It was a really great journey. 1.5 months. It couldn't have been better, really. It was everything I imagined it to be. And if you guys get the chance to go to Nordkapp, please do it. It is amazing. I am going to sort out this rattling noise, and I'm also going to work a lot, pay my credit card bill off. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, for going on this adventure with me. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you guys on my next big adventure when I'm going to This is what it looks like when there's a soccer game. It's crazy, right? Wow.